Hello, everybody. So, I'm here to discuss some important thing because I've been getting a lot of queries from various students that what should be the score be expected for a good rank, or what rank should we expect if we are getting a certain correct questions. Now, first of all, whatever I discussed today, it is just my prediction. It may go higher or it may go lower. So don't worry if, according to my predictions, you feel you're out of the race, but be confident that you have given your best. So now just leave it to destiny. So, according to me, what I analyze according to the paper, I felt that nearly 130 questions were pretty much direct, and around 15 to 20 questions were little bit on the hard or the tough side. There was no in between questions or medium questions. It was either very easy straightforward questions or very hard questions, and accordingly, if you have attempted one more than 140, then you are in the race. Now if in this you score nearly 120 to 130, expect a rank in 500. That is what I predict. If you go in this range, then I feel the rank would be nearly 1000 to 1100. And if you go less than 110 or 100, I feel your rank would be nearly 1000 to, sorry, nearly 1100 to 1500. Now there will be very much close call in this marks or in this questions, like this is the correct questions which I'm thinking. So for this I'm expecting nearly the range of 450 to 480. That is what I'm expecting. The rank up till 500 will go in this range. Now this will go nearly in the range of 420 to 450 and less than 420. So this is what I'm expecting, or which I'm predicting, but it may go higher or it may go lower also. So don't worry. And other than this, what I feel is that I am getting queries like how much rank to expect to get in this three branches. Now, if you get nearly in the ranks of 600 to 700, expect a seat in this three, but also a harsh truth regarding the seats of GI surgery being nearly 100 to 110, and MCH being even less than 45. I think that MCH GI will go up to maximum of rank of 150. I don't think it will go beyond that. And DNB, I think you can expect nearly up to 250 rank. I think this is what may happen because GI surgery is a branch which many students are eager to take in. But if you see Euro and Onco, I feel you can get a good seat up to rank of 600 or maximum even up to 700. But this is just a prediction. This is what, because many students are asking, so I thought I'll address this queries regarding the safe score someone is asking. So I think the safe score for this paper, which I got to know from all of you, is around 450. That is what I expect to be a safe score. So now you can decide and just be at peace. But I feel that right now is not the time to think about anything. Right now the time is to relax, because it's just 1 week to go for the results if they come on time. After that, it may be you may prepare and plan for getting a seat, or don't lose hope, sit, take some break and start studying for the next Neet. But what I feel is right now is not the time to just ponder or think that how much marks will I get. And even the discussion which I've done, I may have been not so accurate in some of the answers because of the recall or the topics given by students who, because of the number of questions were so high. I think there is some discrepancies in the recall, and that is expected to happen. But don't worry, If you have got even somewhat in the medium range, don't worry, just hope for the best, and now just take break and relax. Now don't think about anything else, just relax and prepare for the coming weekend, when you will be able to know what is going to happen and what is not. So I hope the queries you people are having, I've addressed it. Thank you so much for watching.